Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another Black Friday bead haul unboxing. Although I didn't get this one on Black Friday, but I did. It was a sale. The shop is My Pretty Posh Princess. So I have followed them for years, but I've never ordered anything, and I love their TikTok because they show you behind the scenes. So let's just see what I got. So these are separate things, so I'll take you through it and go. These are separate beads, but they put them all in one bag. I like it. That's fine with me. Most people don't mind if they're mixed up. They'll probably get separated. Typically, I don't buy a whole lot of bubblegum beads anymore, but I used to buy tons of them when I was selling on Etsy because that was one of the shapes that really sold back then. So here's the first. Isn't that so much fun? These are great. I love them. They look like candy. That's the thing I like about bubblegum beads. So we have a Christmas stripe. We have printed like Christmas sprinkles. Those are so fun. Then these were, I think, on sale or on clearance. They're little skull beads, skull paisley beads. So cute. Then we have like a sweater print, Adirondack, with some deer in green and white. And then like a Harlequin Christmas print. I love these. Oh, I can kind of see why they were on sale a little bit, but nobody's going to look that close at them. So, okay, so that's what was in this bag. I think they were like 10 count. So I got a bunch that were on clearance or on sale. They were 10. Like the sugar skulls were. Oh, she actually refunded me one of these, but then found another set after. I think this is called Christmas Houndstooth. And again, it was like 10 for $1. These were 10 for $1. I kind of just ordered them to see what was going on, and I got 2 sets. So I think that's a really good deal, and they're cute. I mean, they'll just go in the Christmas drawer or whatever, and I'll pull them out when I need them. So then I got another set of these. And then I got, she had some green Christmas rainbow keychain and a red Christmas rainbow keychain. I'm not going to use this as a keychain because I'm not really a keychain person. Like, so much that I still I bought my car 2 years ago, and I still have like the dealer keychain on it from like that just tells you what the car is. And I did that with my last car, and I had that car for 4 years. Like, I just don't care about keychains, but I'll use this as a pendant or something. And look, it's got a nice protective layer on it. But look how cute that is. It's like a Christmas rainbow. So we got a tree, we got some dots, some cheetah, I love that, and then some stars and some buffalo check. That's kind of cool. So I'll take this off. I'm not gonna damage it. It's not in transit anymore. See? I think there's one on the back too. Like, I'm absolutely that person that usually doesn't take the plastic off stuff until like 3 years later when I realize it's still there. I think there's a piece, like I see it in the rear view mirror of my car all the time, in the trunk. Well, I have it in SUV. In the like trunk part, there's a light, and I see it sometimes that there's a plastic piece hanging down, and I'm like, oh, I should take that off, and then I never do. I've had the car 2 years next month. So anyway, that's really cool. I like that one. And then we have the same thing in red. Super duper cute. This one I don't think has the plastic on it. Yeah, this one, oh, on the back it does. I don't think it's on the front. No, it's not. So those are super duper cute. I love that. I love the idea of it being a rainbow, but Christmas colors. Huh, interesting. Okay, next I got some silicone beads. Yes, I know these are probably for like teething bracelets and stuff like that, but I don't care. They're so cute. They are little Santa belts. So cute. I love that. This was These were 25 cents each, and I got, what, 12 of them. So I thought those were super cute. They're 15 millimeter. Next, I got some little silicone hats because they're wintry. Super cute. I know these are for teething stuff. I don't care. These will eventually make it into my own personal designs because you know I like cute stuff too. I do serious, I do cute, I do fun, I do happy. We do everything here. Then she had some clearance pumpkin pies. These were, I think, 50 cents. 40 cents. So yeah, they're double-sided, super duper cute, very bright. Then I had these were on clearance, little turkeys. These were 50 cents each, double-sided. These are like great beads. These are great. Put that on a little necklace and one on a little bracelet or earrings or whatever you want to do. And then they're obviously more clearance. This is cute. Oh, it's called Skull Cutie silicone focal bead. This was 75 cents. He's so adorable. I should have gotten more than one. Because that is so cute. More Halloween, I know. And I actually got some Halloween charms today from Amazon because they were on clearance and they were the best charms ever. So these are cute, like little gnomes, but Halloween gnomes. And these are 60 cents each, double-sided. The qualities of these are really great. These are amazing beads. And then we've got a little like wizard or witch gnome. The little braids. Oh, so cute. Says this is a custom My Pretty Posh Princess design. So this was $1. It is so cute. A little bigger than that guy. And then this is also an exclusive. This is purple. It's a little bat with a staff. It's so cute. I just, like, my face is hurting because I'm smiling so big. They're so adorable. Then we've got Christmas snow globe focal bead. It's got a 2.5 millimeter hole. These were only 50 cents each. They're so adorable. See, just put on a bracelet. I love it. I love that. And then last but not least, we have red gnomes, and these were 60 cents each. Aren't those adorable? I think there were other colors, but I just wanted the red. So I'm super happy. My favorite, I really love this little guy. And oh gosh, I think these Halloween gnomes, this guy's, I think these two are my favorite out of the whole order, but like everything was super duper cute. So again, it's My Pretty Posh Princess. You've probably heard of them because they're super, super popular. I think they said they're like the #1 bead seller in the country. I can't remember. I think I saw it somewhere. I've followed her on social media for years, and it's so cool seeing their behind the scenes because they used to live or sell beads out of their house, and then they moved in. They had this huge basement that they sold out of, and now they sell out of an enormous like storefront, and it's really cool. So check them out. I will leave their information in the description. They have way more than this on their site. Like, you will not believe all the different amounts of beads that you can find. I got a very small amount. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Let me know what your favorite thing is, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.
Cutie. Yes, he's so cute, kicking that little foot. What you doing back there? Just watching me while mommy works, huh? Hi, cutie. He's going back to sleep.